Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Marlowe and Haven by Zoya, and I believe it's Sugar Bubbles SB016 and Maniology Violet Waves. I'll be using some Painted Desert extra short almond tips today, and here we go. This is Zoya's Marlowe. Ah, yes. And then beautifulness here, Haven. Stunning. Yes. Alright, so I'm going to start off with my accent nail, and this is so pretty. And I'm trying to mix up my polishes and kind of trying to get, like a 2-for-1, trying to clear up my unused bucket or untried. So y'all just bear with me while I do this. I've made a mess, of course. So, hi Woody, how you doing? He's doing great, you can tell. Beautiful new year for him. Lots of work in store. And then next, Haven. And I'm just kind of going through my collection and things that I think will work together. My collection in my untried bucket. I'm going to try to piece them together so that I can get my way through them, because I have a really large collection of polishes and I'd like to get back to some old favorites. I'm talking old favorites, like from the 90s. Yep. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do our second coat of everything here. And these are going to build up fine for me, I think, in 2 coats. I think 2 coats will be good. I'm going to do a little bit of stamping on that ring fingernail here in just a little bit. Jazz it up just a little. I love it. Ugh. Yeah, I can tell I was in that pinky purpley kind of mood. These are some of those Zoya polishes that I got the 10 for $25 back, I don't know, I guess it was in November maybe. Ooh, yay. Alright, now that those are painted, we're going to add our top coat, and today I'm using I&M Out the Door. I really do like this one. This is a good little top coat that I can get from Sally's. Of course, last time I just ordered a whole bunch of it off of Amazon, so I could have lots of backups, Plus, if I go in Sally's, I'm tempted to buy other stuff, so I just stuck to replenishing the top coats. And I really do like this one. I like it because it's thin, and, because y'all know I've got so many layers on my manis. There's a swatch photo of them on their own. Here we go with SB016. I do believe this is a Sugar Bubbles plate, so bear with me. Violet Waves, my favorite Maniology stamping polish. And I've also got a Maniology cube stamper and scraper out today. Give it a quick swipe each way. Them corner images are tricky. Got back to my swirly twirlies here. You guys know how I feel about these. Beautiful. Alright, we're going to clean this stamper off on a lint roller here. And then we got to clean that plate up with some acetone. Get it clean. And then I'm going to wipe over it with some alcohol just to shine it up. I am going to pop in here with a piece of tape and get some of this excess polish up off my skin. I like to clean up as I go. I don't want to be messing with that later on. I'm going to do it right now. And we are going to top these with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. Oh, love it. And now that's dry, I'm going in with my Poshe top coat. Give it some nice, glossy, plump. And the Poshe top coat is thicker than the I&M Out the Door. That's why I use it as my final. It is super favorite of mine. Cap that free edge real quick. Get Woody back out here. Hi Woods, how you doing? And there's my swatch photo for that. And then I'm going to top it with Anchor and Heart Sea Glass Fairy Slipper. It's a silky, smooth, matte top coat. And I'm going to give that a go. I did wear it shiny for one day, and now we're going mattified. Look how pretty that purple looks with matte. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.